Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 98.9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news. The US is today moving from a prosperous and strong 4 years into an unknown future, the age where billionaires get all the gains. Markets are showing caution, especially the bond market, which is likely to be the most reliable predictor of what is to come. And the US dollar fell. It is all very fluid. And in the US, it seems the promise of immediate tariffs on its first day in office isn't going to happen. The Trump team now says it plans to direct federal agencies to study trade relations with China and other countries without imposing new tariffs on his first day in office. But the tariff uncertainties and their threats to inflation control remain. One thing he did repromise in his speech today is war with Panama, committing to seize the Panama Canal. In Canada, in a central bank survey of firms taken in mid-November, that's after the Trump victory but before the Trudeau resignation, Canadian businesses were girding for a rocky relationship with the US, marked by higher costs and new tariffs. Across the Pacific, Japan released machinery order data yesterday for November, and that brought a much stronger result than expected. And China held its loan prime rates unchanged yesterday at its January review. The one-year rate, the benchmark for most corporates and household loans, remained at a record low 3.1%, and their five-year rate, the benchmark for mortgages, stayed at a record low 3.6%. And in Australia, and following its pullout of personal banking in New Zealand, HSBC said it is considering doing the same there for its much larger retail banking operation. The US Treasury 10-year yield is now just on 4.58% and down 4 basis points from yesterday. And the price of gold will start today at $2,707 an ounce, up $5 from yesterday. But oil prices are down $1.50 to just over $76.50 a barrel in the US, while the international Brent price is now just under $80 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar starts today at just under 56.6 US cents and up 70 basis points from this time yesterday. Against the Aussie, we're up 30 basis points at 90.4 Australian cents. Against the euro, though, we're unchanged at 54.4 euro cents. That all means our trade-weighted index starts today at just on 67.1 and up 30 basis points from yesterday. You get more news affecting the economy in New Zealand from interest.co.nz. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston, and we'll do this again tomorrow.